Have this extension which notify me anytime I receive an email. So as you can see, I have 7 mail here. So when I click on it, it shows. Hello guys, welcome back to Kweku Tech. On today's episode of Tech Tip, I'll be introducing you to some 7 must install extension for Google Chrome. So let's go through the extensions and how they are used. On the 7th place on my list is the Google Translator. So the Google Translator, hot by the name, it translates. So as you can see on my screen, this is a French word of which I don't understand. So let me select the text and right click to translate. You see, it gives me the French and it's showing me what it means in English. So this is what basically the Google Translator does. The 6th on my list is the Swift Read. So what this Swift Read does is it reads your text for you. Instead of you reading the text, it reads it for you. So you right click like this, then you select Swift Read. As you can see, when I click on play, it read my text, and you can set the word per minute that you want it to read for you. So the 5th on my list is print friendly. So what this print friendly does is, for us who normally want to save files in PDFs, that's mostly a page. You want a page, you've gotten a page that you want to save the file, the whole page. You want to save the text on the page. So what it basically does is, when you click here, it saves the files for you. And one amazing thing that is good about this extension is you can take out the things that you don't need in the PDF before saving it. So as you can see on my screen, maybe this French joke, I don't want it. So I just click on delete and it is gone. As you can see, I don't need this. I click on it and it is gone. And this is very useful. You can save it or you can print it anyhow you want it. So let's go to the 4th on my list. The 4th on my list is the Go Full Page. So what this Go Full Page does is, maybe you've seen something on a page or you want to save a web page. Like, let me take it for instance, Twitter. I want to save this web page. So when I click on the extension Go Full Page, when I scroll, you will see here that there is some arrows moving towards the end of the file. So if I want it to get here, and I'll stop. When it gets somewhere here, then I stop. This is where I want to save my files up to. So it will move up to the end of the page. Then when I click on it, it's saved. As you can see, the whole page is being saved. And one thing I really like about this is I can edit it. So when I click on the edit mode, it will give me the full page that I have saved. And I can edit it. If I want to crop some places out, I can crop it out and save whatever I want. And this is very, very helpful. So let's go to the 4th on my list. The 4th on my list is basically like it's the 4th on my list is the 3rd on my list is PayPal. It's a French word which means like paper. So what it basically does is, when you open a fresh browser or a fresh tab, it gives you your to-do list. So if I want to, in this case, as you can see here on my screen, I have shot a video today. So if I'm able to complete this task, I will only check it that what complete. If I'm able to complete this one, I just click on it. What this extension help us to do is, you don't need to create another to-do list in your web, in your any to-do third-party app. So anytime you open a new tab, it reminds you that what you have this kind of tasks to do, and it always gives you a reminder that what these tasks you are supposed to do them. The second on my list is the scribe. So what a scribe does is, for us those who want to teach people like tutorials and those kind of things. As you can see on my screen, maybe I want to show someone how to edit their username on IG. So I'll click on this scribe button here, and I'll click on record. So I'll go to profile, and I'll click on maybe settings. I'll go here, maybe change my username, and change my username, and maybe let me do some changes here. Maybe this test, I want this one to leave, and I'll save and submit. So after that, maybe I'm done. So I'll go back to my profile, and when I'm done, I just click on the scribe again, and I'll say stop, and it will open a new page for me and show me whatever I have recorded. And what it does is, it doesn't give me the recording like a whole recording like how we do recording, but it shows me like the things that I selected when recording. So as you can see, I selected my profile, and if I go down, it shows me the thing that I selected. If I go again, it shows me that I click on edit profile, and the changes that I did, or it shows me. So this one, if you are teaching someone to do something, it's very easy for the person to follow whatever you are trying to teach the person. So this is a very useful extension for those who want to do tutorials for others. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon. I've already done a video on how to install extensions for Google Chrome. So let's go to our number one and see how it's used. So the number one on our list is the check plus for Google. So what this check plus for Google does is, it users like us, like me, for instance, I don't have time to watch my emails always. So I have this extension which notify me anytime I receive an email. So as you can see, I have 7 mail here. So when I click on it, it shows me the number of emails that are here, and the people who send the email. So I just read. If they are necessary for me to open, I open. If they are not, I just leave it. And what I really like about this extension is, I can just right click here and go to compose, and it will open the email for me to it will open a compose email for me where I type and send my messages. Thanks for watching this video. A sub to the channel will be a blessing to me. See you in the next video. Peace.